Long ago, there was a waterfall named Tsukimachi Falls. People prayed for an easy birth of their children inside the falls, waiting for the 23rd moon. The falls has been known as a god of an easy delivery for a long time. It has also been dedicated to Tainai Kannon. How does it look like now? Now let's travel back to the present and look at the falls today. Tsukimachi Falls is surrounded by many apple orchards and vast nature. It is 10 minutes from Daigo Station and a lot of people visit there. It is made from a branch of Kuji River. It is 17 meters high, 12 meters wide. We can go through the fall to the back without getting wet. So it is called Urami no Taki or Kuguri no Taki. It is a popular place because there are a lot of negative ions and we can feel refreshed. After taking a lot of negative ions, soba dango, we can enjoy the scent of soy sauce and soba flavor. Ice cream. We can taste soba flavor faintly in the rich cream. Hitachi Akisoba. It is a special product of Ibaraki and has a unique taste. Eaten with tsuyu, the Japanese sauce, it is very delicious. In addition, there are many excellent local products like nagashi somen, natural water shaved ice, and coffee dipped with spring water. It is also famous as a power spot and we can try Tokyo, a spiritual experience standing under a waterfall. In the autumn, red cliffs are very beautiful and many tourists visit. In the very cold winter, the falls will freeze. Tsukimachi Falls has many charms and is a very good place. Would you like to visit there? Thank you for watching.